Gosh, it's so boring today. You got that right. What does it really have to rain today? God. Yeah, not because of the rain. There's completely nothing to do. Wait, I got an idea. What is it? We can read books. Probably not. You know what, guys? You can just bird to death. I'm just gonna go see what Nigel and Franchesko are doing. Hoo-wee! Fa! My build is now completed, and oh, it looks so freaking good. Come on, just look at all that detail. It's just a complete recreation, black by black. Woo! But I just want to take a screenshot of it so much. But how do you take screenshots in the Xbox version? Whatever, for us. I don't care. I'm just gonna, invite them to my world and shit. And they're gonna join me. Yay! Woo! Why are you so excited, mate? It's just a Minecraft building. Just a building, I'll have you know that my Minecraft recreation of a KFC is the best Minecraft building ever. It's a freaking masterpiece. I'm sorry, mate. It's just I don't find the appeal of them. Well, I don't see appeal in all of those, what them called, aliens that you're doing Skype for. Whoa, mate. Actually, the game is called Skate 3, and those tricks are called ollies. Whoa, guys, why do I hear so much yelling? Because this bloody wanker doesn't see the appeal of doing ollies in Skate 3. What is a wanker? Well, can you guys just accept that everyone has their own tastes, Because you two have been fighting over, Minecraft and Skate 3 for the past months. Well, it's not my fault that he doesn't see the fucking appeal. Franchesko, do me a favor and please don't swear. Because swearing is a big no-no on YouTube. Okay, mate. By the way, why are you here for? Oh, I just came to see what you two are doing. Oh, he's just playing his Minecraft. Okay, fool. First of all, that game is called Minecraft, and I'll let your money grow, or what you call that. Does this look like a face of a person who gives a crap? I swear to God, I'm gonna beat your ass. Oh, guys, stop. No fights. We all know that fighting is a big no-no for Cody. Fine, fool. By the way, Mr. Quack, you can just play with us, if you don't have anything to do. Okay, thank you for the offer, Franchesko. Gosh, it's still raining. Now I remember how much I hate the rainy days. Wait, by the way, where did Mr. Quack go? Hey Cody, you stay here. I'm just gonna go look for Mr. Quack. Okay. Now I'm just alone. By myself. Come on, mate. Just one more kickflip. Woo! I won, mate. Good job, Franchesko. Good job. It just seems a bit unfair that I'm playing against a pro. Hey Mr. Quack, what are you doing? Oh, hey Zack, I'm just playing Skate 3 with Franchesko. Oh. Well, me and Cody don't have anything to do. By the way, did the rain stop? Nope, it's still going. Oh crap. I mean, you can join us on our gaming session. I mean, we gave Nigel a PlayStation 4 recently. Okay, I'm just gonna go get the controller. Come on. Gotta get this one go. Yes! Got it! Oh, come on. Yes! I won! In your face, Franchesko! Whatever, screw off, mate. Woo! Gosh, I wonder what's so interesting that Zack is staying there for a while. Yeah, now I'm just gonna kill that creeper. Just get one last hit. Woo! I killed it before it exploded. Good job, Nigel. I'm just gonna still go gather up some food. Come on. Now I'm just gonna get this last combo. And yes! I won the game. Hey guys, what are you doing? Oh hey Cody, we're just having a game session right here. Yeah, you can join us. Fo, you dead. God damn it! Oh, okay. Come on. Yes! I did it! Yeah, come on. So what is the main takeaway of this video? Well, what I would say is that use rainy days as a way to hang out with your friends and family. Don't just spend rainy days all by yourself, you know, walking around all by yourself and then just getting a cold. No. Every time you have a rainy day, just go and ask your friends or family, or heck even both, to just hang out together at home, having like board games or something, or you know, just gaming, like what we're doing. That's all. Yeah.